What's up, guys? Luckside here. A lot of new information coming out about the whole FTX debacle, right? There's more and more information coming out every day. And there's something that came out that's a little troubling. Now, apparently FTX was obviously storing private keys for the crypto wallets on the exchange, but these private keys for the wallets were actually stored unencrypted. Now, this is a problem, right? We all know security is a big deal, and keeping your private keys safe obviously helps prevent hacks and losses of a bunch of money. But this could have directly led to the loss of $300 to $400 million. Now, if you remember correctly, there was this supposed hack that happened back in November after basically FTX started to file for bankruptcy and go through all those proceedings, right? Well, basically, imagine there's a list, right? Like this, that just has all your keys written down, all your seed phrases, right? Well, this is basically what almost any employee had access to. Not so easily, right? But basically, someone had access to that and they took advantage of it. And this has caused people to ask questions. What is my exchange doing? What do they have access to? Am I really safe, right? This is why a lot of people have removed their crypto off exchanges. They don't feel comfortable having it on there right now. There's not enough transparency for them to feel confident about having their holdings in the hands of someone else. This is why I talk a lot about self-custody and not your keys, not your coins, right? Obviously, for the $300 to $400 million that was lost, they were not their keys, and obviously they were not their coins. Now, it's unfortunate, obviously, that anybody has to go through these sorts of things. But unfortunately, or fortunately, this is a learning moment. Okay, this is where a lot of the big exchanges can identify flaws that they have to make things better for the future. Crypto in the state that it's currently in would not exist without centralized exchanges. Okay, centralized exchanges have helped bring it to the forefront of, financial opportunity. There's a lot of people that don't know how to interact with DeFi at these points. That's why ClearCryptos is obviously so important. It's making it easy. It's making you informed. It's giving you opportunities to do this without having to rely on a centralized exchange to make it possible. And more, these kind of opportunities are going to come out as time goes on. Crypto is going to get easier to use through education. But, this is still a medium that's going to be out there. Centralized exchanges are still going to be out there. And this is more of a cautionary tale about what questions to ask, what to look for, and to make sure, obviously, that your coins are actually safe wherever you put them. But that's all I really got for you guys in this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. You can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day. Really hope to catch you in the next one.